So welcome to this live stream. So today we are going to be talking about trading bots. So we are going to talk about something automating our profits, autopilot profits, mastering crypto trading bots using Pionex. So if you told you've heard about trading bots, you know about trading bots, then you are in the right place. If you still don't know about trading bots, you are also in the right place, because this is the live stream that you'll need in order to be a good trader. You've been trading manually, but now today I'm going to show you how to be a good trader. No more wasting time on the chat. So guys, let's join in this live stream. Let's come here. I'm really waiting for you. I'm really eager to teach you something new. It's all about the new things that shape our minds. They are the things that open our minds. New ideas push us towards new levels. Welcome. Okay, so I'm seeing currently you are still not having members joining, but I'm eagerly waiting for you. You are the one I'm waiting for. I'm not waiting for anyone else. It's you. It's you, man. So join here. Let's have this chat lively. We want to know on how to use bots, crypto trading bots. You know, there's bots on the forex markets, on the indices markets, but now we are the crypto guys. So also us, we want to have our own bots, and we're going to explore one of the best bots in the market. So I'm really waiting for you. There's no one else I'm waiting for. You can see I'm already live here, and it's you that I want to shape your mind. Widget. Stream her. Okay, so I'm seeing someone is here. You are really welcome. You are really welcome. So if at all you've seen, the main topic is automating your profits, mastering crypto trading bots, specifically Pionex. So we have so many trading bots in the crypto industry, 3Commerce. There's so many of them. I don't want to mention all of them, but we are going to mainly focus on Pionex trading bot. So if at all you've ever used a trading bot before, type 2 if at all you've used a trading bot before. If at all you are a newbie to the trading bot industry, then you type 1 in the chat. So let's know those guys who have used trading bots before, and also let's know those guys who have not used these kinds of tools, because we want to help all of us. We want to help the advanced guys. We want to help the newbies also. So if you're here and you still don't know who I am Gekood, and I mainly specialize on cryptocurrency, the crypto market, the blockchain, Web3. All those things are words that you can use to describe the crypto industry. So if at all you've known or you've heard about Bitcoin, then such kind of topics are what I mainly venture into. So let me know, where are you tuning in from? myself, I'm tuning in from Kenya. This is where I'm hosting this live event, and I'm really waiting for you. I want to chat with you. I want to know. Let me just check something here real quick. Okay, so let me go ahead and start off with this Pionex. So I want you to type in the chats, have you ever used a trading bot before, or you are a complete newbie to this industry of trading bots? Have you ever used a trading bot before, or you are completely new to the trading bot industry? So here is Pionex. So what is Pionex? Pionex is a free exchange, just like Binance, OKX, Bybit, but now it mainly specializes on trading bots. So it's a free exchange with built-in trading bots. So when you come here, you can see there's home, there's markets, there's bot, trade, and so Pionex home, where you can see everything. You can click here the beginner and see some of the bots that are trending here that you can copy from. Then the markets is now where you'll see the overall crypto market. So here you can see you can have the top picks. We have here Bitcoin, Ethereum, then the futures market. So if you want to trade the futures market manually, here is where now you can see it under the markets. Then the spot. So this is the spot where you buy. You have to buy. You don't actually borrow or bet on a future price. You have to buy the token. Then you have the ranks. So this part is just like the other crypto exchanges, like the Binance, where you have this one. Then there's the bots now. Then let's not talk about the bots first. Let's go under the trade. So here the trade, you can just use the normal trading crypto exchange like Binance. You can see there's futures, there's spot. Then you can also convert one token to another. You can convert your Bitcoin to, you choose an asset that you want to convert your Bitcoin to. You can either go with MakerDAO token, then you convert to that one. So before you ever set a bot on Pionex, you need to have your funds into your account. So you can see under my account, you click there. Then what you do, let me just not, okay, let me show, because there's something I want to show you. So you want to now go under your account. Before you even think of opening a bot on Pionex, just make sure that you go to your account, then you click on deposit. So you're going to deposit some funds into the Pionex trading bot app. Then here there are some coins that you can use to deposit here. Then they recommend to you to use the Tether, the USDT. Just click USDT. They support a variety of networks that you can use to deposit with in here. So we have here TRC20. Before you even think of choosing a network, go to your preferred exchange that you're going to buy the token from, be it Binance, be it OKX, be it Bybit. Okay, my mic is saying it's disconnected. Let me fix that real quick. Okay, I think it's okay. So let me know that you are hearing my voice, because I've just seen something that my mic is disconnected. Guys, let me just know in the chat. Let me know that you are hearing my voice kindly. Just let me know that you are hearing my voice. I've seen some error about my mic. So let's go back to this Pionex thing. So here you go to your preferred exchange. You always want to save on fees, because when you are going to choose a network that charges you $2 to withdraw, and another one can charge you $0, then you're not making the smart move. So you can choose, if at all you're going to use Binance to withdraw USDT, I'd recommend that you use the BNB Smart Chain Network, the BIP20. Then you have your contract address here, just copy it, go to your Binance trading application, and withdraw your USDT into your Pionex account. So you have your USDT already into Pionex. Then now we want to now go and start operating our bot. So here, click under bot. Then we have here create, rank, and lead. So rank, now you will be in a position to see the top performing bots here. So you can see the Voxel / USDT perpetual is the one that is the top leading bot here. And for this one, it's a futures grid bot. Then we have here all spot and then futures. Then you can see the trading markets under the leader. So it's BTC, USDT, and that's the all list of the trading. Then the bots popularity. So which bots are popular here? So the first one is the spot grid bot. We have the futures grid bot, rebalancing, and remember Pionex have up to 15 bots here. So you have a wide variety of bots that you can choose from. But before you even choose, always make sure that you know what you are doing. Don't just choose bots here. Educate. The first thing to always do, educate. I never do anything before I educate myself, because crypto is a very risky game. It's a very risky place. You can lose money quick. As much as you can make big bucks here, you can lose it very fast. So we have that rank, leader. So to lead here, you can also, if at all you are as someone who is advanced with the bots, then you can create your own bot here, and then people can copy from, and then you'll be earning now some profit. You can see under profit sharing rate, you can set between 0% to 30%. So when other guys copy your own bot, then there's some commission that you're going to be earning. Yeah. But now we just want to measure on the creating part. So just come here under create, and then you can now see all these bots. We have this spot grid bot, futures grid bot. So they are categorized based on popular, and then there's the advanced grid bots, then the trailing bots, and other bots. So why not go with the popular? We want to go with the popular, be with the people. So here we have the futures DCA bot, then the rebalancing bot, Grace Margin, Coin M futures grid bot. So I want to now just go with the most basic bot that you can ever open here on Pionex, because when going to start, always start slow. Even when you're going to be driving a car, you always start at the at the lowest gear. You don't just go to gear 5. You start gear 1, gear 2, like that. So as time goes by, you will now be in a position to advance your knowledge about this bot. So we just want to open a spot grid bot. Then later on, as time goes by, you can now start opening futures grid bot and try to see how it operates in the market. Personally, I've opened all of them. I know the futures grid bot performs better than the spot grid bot because you have a form of leverage. Yeah, so futures grid bot will perform better than the spot grid bot, but a spot grid bot is a sure bet to have profit because you won't get liquidated. This one, futures grid bot, will give you a better money, but is a little more risky as compared to grid bot, because you can get your funds liquidated when the market drops below your open price or goes to your liquidation price. So there's also the infinity grid bot. So for the spot and the futures grid bot, you will now be opening them based on some levels. So you'll be setting some range. So let's say you are open for BTC, Bitcoin, and currently Bitcoin is trading around 84k, the 84, 85k. So you want to open your bot at a range of 60k and 100k. So in between this range is where your bot will be operating in between. So when the price of Bitcoin goes, let's say it's currently trading at 84. So when it goes to, let's say, 81k, then your bot will now open a position. Then when it goes to 85, it will now close that opened position and make you some USDT. So that's how the spot grid bot and the futures grid bot operate. But now for the futures grid bot, you have the leverage. So you can increase your earnings as compared to the spot grid bot. So with the infinity grid bot, is something that operates in a different manner. So how does it operate in a different manner? So you know, with the spot and futures, we are operating at some range. So when these ranges are crossed, lower or upper, then our bot will stop operating. But with the infinity grid bot, you just need to set your open position. So let's say BTC running at 84k. We've seen it with the market. Let's just go to the markets first because we have everything here. 84k for BTC right now. Then we want to open this infinity grid bot. So you can see this is the market for BTC. Then we will now set our lower limit price of BTC where it will now be operating. So we don't need to set a range, just need to set the price that it will be operating at. Let's say you open at 70k for BTC, 70k. Then you just need to set your profit per grid in between 0.1 to 10% required. Then you can say I want to make a 0.5% per trade. So when you do that, then you will need to put your investment amount. So with this one, I've tried with the different profits per grid, and I'm seeing the minimum amount of USDT that you'll need for this one. Under the customized one, you'll need 50 USDT in order to open an infinity grid bot. So this bot is best for a rallying market, not for sideways. We're seeing that for the spot and futures grid bot, we are operating at some range, so it's like we are operating on a sideways market. But for the trending markets, if you want to catch rides on the trending markets, then go for the infinity bot. This one is best for the infinity, not for the infinity, it's the infinity. Yes. Words are now starting to confuse me. Let me take some water. So I'm saying infinity bot is best for trending markets. If you want to catch bucks on those trending markets, this is the best bot to go for. So you can use your own customized settings, or you can use the AI strategy. So for the AI strategy, I believe it will always require you to have more money. So if at all you see this one, you see you'll need a minimum of 78.62 USDT in order to open this bot. So the lowest price here is 21k for BTC. Then the profit per grade, I was reading about this infinity bot, and they are saying whenever you use an AI strategy on infinity bot, the profit per grade will be automatically set at 0.6%. So that's the parameters that they will be using under the profits per grade. So I've shown you one of the best bots that you can use on a trending market, and then now let's now go and open or try to operate the most basic bot that you can operate here. It's the spot grid bot. If you are starting here, please avoid using a futures grid bot because you can get your funds liquidated very fast. So just come here under the grid bots, under the spot, then you can copy strategy. There are some bots that are here that have already been opened by the expert range. So we can have our lowest price. Currently Bitcoin is sitting at 84k. Let's see with the trading view chart. One of the best tools that you can ever use as someone wants to master trading is this application, Trading View, because it lets you operate different markets, not only crypto. You can go with metals, indices, forex, anything you want is here on Trading View. So we have here the chart of Bitcoin /Bitcoin USDT. So you can see here, let me just zoom in. is it zooming, or I'm zooming out this chart so that you can be bigger. So we are on the weekly candlesticks, and then you can see when the Bitcoin market did break out under this area. I don't know if at all you can see, around 66k. So this one was a sideways consolidation area, then there was a breakout, and then the market went up to 100k mark, 108, where it made the ATH. The ATH was all-time high was around 109k there. So we want to now set our lowest price and our highest price. So mine, I'm saying at 120k, and then the lowest price is 66k, where it seems like a support level under this consolidation area. So that's the range that I want my bot to be operating at. So 66k, just go to your Pionex grid bot. You say your lowest price is 66k, and then the highest price is 120. Because it did up to 109, just say 109k. And then now you will need in between this area 66 and 109. I'm saying 109 because I'm not using 120. So there will be some lines. You see the way they have these blue horizontal lines, there will be some other lines. So those ones are now the grids. So you'll have them. Let me just show you with this cursor. So let's say we are at 66, then there will be another one, let's say at 71, there will be another one at 81, there will be another one at 91, something like that. So based on how many grids you set, then there will be more grids in between this range that we are operating at. So you need to choose your grids. How many grids do you want? So the minimum is 2 and the maximum is 395. So I can choose to have like 38 grids in between the 109 and 66k price range. Then when you have those grids, you see the minimum investment is $7.82. Yeah. So you can operate these bots with the minimal amount of USDT or money that you have. You don't need $100 to operate a bot. That's the best thing about operating bots here on Pionex. So let's say you want now to reduce your investment even lower than that $7. You can choose, you can try figuring out these grids. So you can say 20 grids. How much money do you need? You only need $4.29. So you can see you can already reduce the amount of investment that you are operating here. So you can see now the profits per grid is $2.01 to $3.32. So the more grids you set, the lower the amount of profits. So it will be closing those positions very fast, but will be giving you less profits. But when you have lesser grids, they will be, now the ranges will be increased and it will give you more money, but it will take longer time for those profits to be closed for you. So if you set 20 grids, you only need $4.29 to operate this bot. Then you can go to the advanced setups. You can set your take profit position, your stop loss, and all that. That's how you operate a bot here on Pionex. So I want to now take some questions from you. Let me just take questions from you because I believe now you know something about these bots. So guys, I want to now take questions. What have you learned something about these trading bots? Has it been helpful to you? Are you now going to start using a trading bot? Because the best way to do this thing is not really be always on the charts. It's really tiring. I used to do trading, but for me it was tiring for me. That's why I learned about trading bots, and Pionex has helped me to really free myself from the charts always looking at the charts, trying to open trades. Sometimes you miss trades because you can't be on the charts 24/7. It's something, I don't know how the manual traders do it. For me, I think it's like you are trying to create content and you are trying to do it by yourself. Yet we have ChatGPT, we have Gemini. Why don't you use those things to make your work easier? You will now be in a position to do these things very fast because AI is here to help. AI is not here to replace humans, it's here to help. That's why I recommend using trading bots. And if you want to start operating Pionex, then I believe I can now give you my link. Is it wrong for me to give you my link to start operating a bot here on Pionex? Because I've shown you how to operate a bot on a trending markets using infinity grid bots. Then also on sideways markets, you can start with the most basic one, the spot grid bot. Then if you want to go advanced, guys, you know what to do. You need to now start thinking of operating the futures grid bot. So I can just quickly show you how my bots have been operating here. I believe you've gotten value. Just let me know in the chats, have you really gotten anything here? Because personally, I strongly believe I'm giving you value already. There's no channel that you're going to be finding such kind of values from. My channel is the best place to be. Strongly believe that. I want you to operate trading bots. Stop operating these trades by yourself. So let me just give you my link quickly so that you can just open your Pionex account, and later on when you are ready, let's go the bots where let's use AI. Pionex. Wow, already feel my brain is blowing up from all that talking. So that's the link. If at all you want to now start operating a Pionex bot, then I've already given you the link. You can open a trading bot here on Pionex, and then if at all you still don't know how to operate, there are more videos on YouTube. You can still learn on how to operate these bots. But let me know, do you still want this kind of live stream where we go live, talk about this kind of secrets, so that you don't wait for me to create videos? Because you know, for videos I have to make them more professional, not just talking, rambling, saying my ass. So you know, with these ones, with live stream we can just go with we can be authentic. We don't have to edit everything. Again, something for you, if at all you know already have my own email list, you can join. It's called the GekoodHub email list. This one also mainly talk about cryptocurrencies. I'll be giving you updates on what's happening on the crypto market, what's really hot, what's trending, what can you use to increase your profits on the crypto market. So if at all you want to join my email list, the GekoodHub email newsletter, then let's have you going to this link. You'll be getting my free PDF on how to make your cryptocurrencies work for you. So the GekoodHub email list, email newsletter. So here's the link. I think I've done the wrong thing, but now just have it there. GekoodHub email newsletter. Kindly, if you want to be getting news on what's happening on the crypto market, that's the place to be. So let me just quickly show you how I've been operating my bots. So you want to join the Pionex trading bots, that's the place to be. I've already put the link there, you can join. So here is my first bot, the BTC's USDT futures grid bot. This one I'm already having a 12%. The first profit that I made, I withdrew, then I put it under the extra margin. I added to my margin in order to reduce my liquidation price. So you can see my liquidation price is at 60k. So when you add extra margin, this one will now help you to reduce your liquidation. So always avoid being liquidated. How to avoid being liquidated with the futures grid bot is by adding extra margin, or you can set something called auto reserve. But I don't want to talk about the futures grid bot today because this one will make this live stream to be very long. So I have other spot grid bots here. The XLM, this one is operating at a loss. I think I'll just close this one. Always remember to close your losses. This one is for BNB, just 3% negative. That's not really bad. So you can see how many rounds I already have with this BNB. 100 open positions. So 28 grids, and then the Ethereum bot, this one is operating at a profit, and then the BTC bot operating at 18% profit. 750 rounds. So you can see you can't open trades 700 times manually. That's why you need the bots to do it for you. So that's how you do it. So for me, this one has been a success. I believe you've learned something new. You are now going to start operating trading bots on Pionex. You know where to get the link. I really appreciate you for joining into this live stream and making it a success. And let's continue building together on the crypto markets. Until next time, stay profitable, trade smart, and stay profitable.